Alex is pouring cooking oil from a rectangular container with dimensions 20 cm, 15 cm and 30 cm to a cylindrical frying pan with radius 30 cm. So this is the rectangular container with dimensions 15, 20 and 30, 15, 20 and 30. From this container, Alex is pouring cooking oil on this cylindrical frying pan whose radius is 30 cm. Now, if 80% of the oil from the rectangular container fills 20% of the frying pan, then find height of this frying pan. So, from 80% of the oil, that is, this container got a volume V. Say if we consider this volume is V1, then 80% of this volume, that is 80% of this volume V1, will fill 20% of this frying pan. If this frying pan's volume is V2, then this will be equal to 20% of this volume V2. So 80% of this rectangular container's volume will be equal to the 20% of the cylindrical frying pan's volume. So this volume is known because we know for a rectangular prism the volume relation is ABC. Volume equals multiplication of this 3 dimension. So that means V1 will be here, the V1 is this 3 dimensions multiplication, that is 20 times 15 times 30. And V2, the volume for this cylinder, the relation we know is pi r square h. So this volume V2 here will be pi means 3.14 times r is here given 30 square and h. So if we use this relation that 80% of V1, 80% of V1 means 80 division 100 times this is the volume for this container, that is 20 times 15 times 30, which will be equal to 20% of this. So this total cylinder's volume is this, 20% of this volume, that means 20% means 20 division 100 of this volume, which is 3.14 times 30 square times h. So from here we will find the height of the fry pan. So if we calculate this, it is this 0.8. So if we calculate this part, we will get 7200. 7200 equals if we calculate this part, it will be 3.14 times, if we calculate only this part, so 900, 100, so 9, it will be 180 h. So from here we will get h equals 7200 division 3.14 times 180. If we do this calculation, we will get 12.74 centimeter. So therefore the height of this fry pan is 12.74 centimeter.